Hello, crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we have some exciting news from the crypto space that could potentially impact the market. So, let's dive right in. First up, in banking news, major Japanese banks are planning to introduce Japanese stablecoins to the Cosmos network. Toki, a cross-chain bridge provider and partner of Progmat, will be working with Noble, a token issuance protocol, to bring fully collateralized Japanese stablecoins to the Cosmos ecosystem. Progmat is a project launched by Mitsubishi UFJ Trust and Banking, MUFG, the largest bank in Japan, and has the support of over 200 Japanese companies including major banks such as SMBC and Mizuho. The Japan Exchange Group, JPX, is also involved in the project. Progmat is currently building a platform that will enable banks and regulated financial institutions to issue their own stablecoins. The basic architecture involves financial institutions interested in issuing stablecoins depositing an equivalent amount of fiat currency with MUFG's Trust Bank. Progmat then issues an equivalent amount of stablecoins. The funds in the Trust Bank are bankruptcy remote, making this potentially the most secure stablecoin for use on public blockchains. Next, we have some news from the gaming world. Sega's COO has criticized play-to-earn blockchain games, calling them boring. This could potentially slow down the integration of blockchain in the mainstream gaming industry, affecting the growth of gaming-related cryptocurrencies. It's a reminder that not all industries are ready to embrace blockchain just yet, and it's important to consider these factors when investing. The second rarest Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT has been sold for just 200 ETH, roughly $372,000, far below peak prices for the collection's most prized items. Bored Ape No 3953, a cream-furred creature with protruding eyes shown chewing on pizza, changed hands earlier today, according to blockchain records. Rarity Sniper ranks it as the second rarest item in the collection. In the past, apes with similar traits have been sold for millions of dollars. The record sale, brokered by Sotheby's in 2021, was $3.4 million. The news comes with the prices of some of the most popular NFT collections plummeting. The floor price, the cheapest point of entry for an NFT collection, of Yuga Labs' Bored Ape Yacht Club currently sits at 31 ETH, around $58,000. It stood at 28 ETH earlier this week, as low as it's been in over 18 months and less than half its value at the start of the year, according to NFT price floor data. Trading volumes for the collection are at a 2-year high, implying a sell-off. Redacted has launched Hidden Hand v2, adding support for Arbitrum and Polygonzove. This could increase the usage of these networks, potentially driving up the demand and price of their native tokens. It's a great example of how continuous innovation in the blockchain space can create new opportunities for investors. Web3 activity increased in June despite regulatory actions targeting top centralized exchanges, according to a new report from DappRadar. In the last month, nearly 2 million wallets interacted with dApps daily, a 1.4% increase from May. While Web3 games held the top spot with 36% of users, DeFi followed with 35% after a 14% increase. 6 of the 10 most popular dApps represent the DeFi sector. DappRadar attributed the increased adoption to airdrop hunters racking up transactions on Layer 2 networks ZK Sync Era and StarkNet, as well as the cross-chain bridging protocol Layer 0. The increase in Web3 activity follows June's tumultuous news cycle. The month began with the crypto markets tumbling after the SEC filed lawsuits against top centralized exchanges Coinbase and Binance. However, the SEC went on to approve a new custodial crypto exchange backed by financial institutions Citadel Securities and Charles Schwab the following week. This news coincided with a flurry of filings for Bitcoin ETFs, and Wall Street's renewed interest ignited bullish momentum in digital asset prices. Nu Huo technology researcher and former researcher at China's national think tank, 0x Loki, stated on Twitter, the abnormal fund flow in multi-chain has the following 4 characteristics. The duration of asset transfer is long, indicating that the transferor is not in a hurry. A small test of 2 USDC was conducted before the asset transfer, indicating that the transferor has sustainable transfer capabilities. Each type of asset is transferred to an independent wallet, and there is no further action afterwards, such as transferring to an exchange, swap, or mixing. The receiving wallet is completely clean, with no gas. Based on these information, 1. The transfer has sufficient time, considering the technical characteristics of MPC, multi-party computation, it is highly likely that the transferor has obtained complete control over the private key shards beyond the threshold in some way. 2. The attack method is very simple, just a simple transfer operation, without any contracts or tests, indicating that the attacker is likely not a hacker. 3. The transferor did not further dispose or cash out, suggesting that the operator may not have absolute decision-making power. Based on the above observations, 0x Loki speculates that it seems like the complete control over the contract was lost due to some force majeure, rather than a simple attack. After Fortune reported that 3 Binance senior officials resigned this week, CZ made a response on Twitter, criticizing the media for producing FUD and saying that the departures were just a normal turnover. According to Fortune, Binance's General Counsel Han Ing, Chief Strategy Officer Patrick Hillman, and Senior Vice President for Compliance Stephen Christie have resigned, and it has something to do with CZ's response to an ongoing investigation by the U.S. Department of Justice. Speaking of the matter, CZ said, "More FUD about some departures. Yes, there is turnover, at every company. But the reasons dreamed up by the news are completely wrong. As an organization that has grown from 30 to 8,000 people in 6 years, from zero to the world's largest crypto exchange in less than 5 months from founding, and held on to that position ever since, we have been able to protect our users at all times, and we have been extremely lucky to have some of the best talent the planet has to offer. As markets and the global environment for crypto changes, as our organization evolves, and as personal situations change, there is turnover at every company. We thank all of our ex-team members for their contributions to our growth, and wish them all the best. We also congratulate our team members who have grown into these new roles. They are all truly high caliber. We continue to build, and continue to hire." In the comment section, CZ clarified it was false to say that 3 executives resigned in the same week. "Only one this week," he said. In addition, Patrick Hillman said on Twitter that the reason he resigned was that his wife is going to give birth to their second child. "It's true that I am leaving Binance, but I'm doing so on good terms. I continue to respect and support CZ and am grateful for having had the incredible opportunity to work under his leadership." Lightning Labs introduced tools allowing AI agents to make Bitcoin payments to each other. This could open up new use cases for Bitcoin, potentially driving up demand and price. It's an exciting development that could pave the way for more innovative uses of blockchain technology. The co-founder of Kraken is under FBI investigation for reasons unrelated to his activities in the crypto industry. This could potentially affect the reputation of Kraken, influencing the market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies listed on the exchange. It's a reminder of the legal complexities that can arise in the crypto space. Multi-chain Bridge experienced a significant outflow of assets, with the team stating they do not know what caused it. This could raise concerns about the security of DeFi platforms, potentially affecting investor confidence and the market prices of DeFi-related tokens. It's a reminder of the risks involved in DeFi, and the importance of due diligence when investing. That's all for today's Crypto News Roundup. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, keep hodling. Dash.